everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today we'll be making another lip-smacking recipe of cheesy potato corn treat. The ingredients required for this recipe are 3 boiled and mashed potatoes, 100 grams of cottage cheese that I have crumbled, half cup of corn, 1 small onion that has been chopped, half cup of grated cheese, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of green coriander chopped. In the spices we have 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon corn flour. We also have 2 bread slices that I have soaked in water and squeezed out all the water from them, and breadcrumbs for coating. This recipe is very simple. In a mixing bowl we'll add up all the ingredients. So we'll start with the potatoes. Then we'll add cheese or cottage cheese or crumbled paneer. Then goes onions and corns. Next we add in green coriander, cheese. You can take any cheese of your liking, processed cheese, mozzarella cheese, any cheese that is available, and green chilies. Next is corn flour, black pepper powder, red chili powder, salt and garam masala. Everything goes into just one bowl. Lastly, we'll add our soaked and squeezed bread. So we have added all these ingredients in the bowl, and the next step is to properly mash and mix these ingredients so that they get along nicely with each other. If you like, you can use your hands to do this procedure. That will just simplify it. We can see that this mixture has come together in a very nice way, and now we'll be giving shape to this mixture. We'll take a small amount of this mixture and turn it into cylindrical shape. You can give it any shape of your choice, whether round or cylindrical, but make sure there are no cracks into it. And we are done. We'll do the process with the remaining amount of mixture, and then we'll deep fry it. So they are perfectly ready, and the next step is coat them in breadcrumbs before frying them. So we'll just coat them nicely in breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs provide an extra crispy texture to these treats, and it's done. We'll keep on repeating the process till each and every treat is coated with breadcrumbs. The breadcrumb coating is done, and now we are all set for frying them. Our oil is hot, and now we'll be putting these in oil for frying on medium heat. I've used canola oil, but you can use vegetable oil as well, as per your liking. You have to fry them till they are golden brown in color. Look at that color, and they are ready. They are done, and we'll be taking them out. they are ready to plate. Our cheesy potato corn treat is ready to eat, and just take a look, it's looking so delicious. Please try this recipe at home and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.